Hey everyone, this is a Japanese Dayton Lasko thing.
This is in the rare brown and antique brass finish.
It's in pretty good shape, actually.
Yeah, it just buzzes a little bit.
Yeah.
Was that a light bulb?
No, it's a screwdriver.
Okay. This is on an eBay auction. It's currently at $122.
Yeah, it's just kind of thrown up here. The canopy isn't up, but it's fine. It has everything.
Yeah, it only has a day left on the auction, so if you're seeing this video, please bid.
Here's low.
Yep.
Kind of nice how this thing starts on low.
Yeah.
Why are you buzzing like that? That's JJ. I'm sorry, guys. He's a little noisy. I think it's just because this thing is not built well. Is this from the broken control?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's just because this thing is built like crap or something, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got a medium.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god, this freaking thing. Why is it so freaking noisy?
I didn't expect it to be this loud before I tested it.
Oh my god.
It's most likely just a loose screw.
Lovely noise.
Yes.
Does it blow any air? A little bit.
Wait, is this medium?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is high.
Jeez. Oh, this is shaking the stand quite a bit. Let's see if it blows air now. It's actually going quite fast. Actually, it does blow an okay amount of air. Although, definitely less. It's like similar to the Fastgo, I guess. I'm gonna turn this off because this thing is annoying.
Are we doing spin down?
No.
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.